Welcome, kids. Let's start the show. At Disney Kids Universe, let's go. Alphabet cakes from A to Z. Dancing and learning, it's fun, you'll see. A is for apple pie, sweet and round. B is for birthday cake, the best in town. T is for cupcake, tiny and bright. D is for donut, shining in the light. Clap, clap, spin around. Every letter makes a yummy sound. Jump, jump, let's all shout. Alphabet cakes, let's dance it out. E is for eclair, creamy delight. F is for fruit tart, a rainbow sight. G is for gingerbread, spiced just right. H is for honey cake, golden and light. I is for ice cream cake, frosty and cool. J is for jelly cake, jiggly and so full. K is for key lime pie, tart and green. L is for lemon cake, a sunshine dream. M is for macaron, colorful and neat. N is for nougat, a chewy sweet treat. O is for orange cake, tangy and bright. P is for pancake, stacked up high, just right. Q is for quiche, warm and bold. R is for red velvet, a cake of gold. S is for strawberry, fruity and sweet. T is for tiramisu, creamy layers to eat. U is for upside down cake, so fun. V is for Victoria sponge, second to none. W is for waffles, crispy and warm. Xmas cake, X for holiday charm. Q's for yogurt cake, smooth and cool. Z is for zebra cake, the stripy rule. Let's twirl like frosting, stretch like dough. Alphabet cakes, we're ready to go. Clap your hands, it's time to spin. Dance, jump high, let the fun begin. A to Z, every treat's a star. Learning letters takes you far. Sing, dance, laugh with glee. At Disney Kids, we're learning happily. Thanks for joining this tasty ride. At Disney Kids Universe, where fun's our guide. Like, share, and subscribe today. We'll meet again for more cake play.